Hello everyone, welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to show you a proof video that I have earned $300 with the Infinity Processor System, and this is my second one for this week. And as you can see here right in my back office, 𝗖cie Clayton sent you $300 for NT, and that's her pretty much her username, into my Cash App account. Now, this is to show you guys that you can be able to make $300 earnings with this blueprint. And it's a step-by-step blueprint that you can use to be able to better your marketing, especially on social media. And I'm going to show you here in the back office of what I'm using. As you can see here, this is your blueprint right here. This is the Infinity Processor System, and I'm at the $300 level Pro, and you can see all these different types of features that it have. You know what I'm saying? And if you go here in the proof group, you can see that many people have been earning, many people have been getting good results. This is another person that had joined under me this week. This is Brian. You know, he also had joined into the pro level membership. And you guys, you want to get at the highest level possible. You know what I'm saying? It's just, you know, you want to be able to get the best. You don't want to leave no money on the table. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep scrolling down so you can see, because you can definitely see other people getting results. You can see right here, Martha, she had a $50 day with the IPS. We can keep on scrolling down. As you can see, you know, David Amateo, you know, brought somebody in, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, this is very, very, very helpful, because when you do see other people that's getting good results, it will motivate you more. It will motivate you saying, like, this thing works. This is not a scam. This is very, very real commissions, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to keep going down. You can see, hello, IPS team, please help me welcome Jack Triz to the group. You know what I'm saying? So many people. And ever since I have joined the IPS, I've been seeing plenty of results. You know what I mean? And all it took me is being consistent and being patient. You know, at the same time, things will start to open up. So if you a marketer on there that's struggling online to get traffic to your business, this is the perfect opportunity for you. The link in the description will be below. Once you hit that like and subscribe button to my content, I definitely will get back at you if you leave your comments below. And if this video does some good to you, make sure, like I said, give it a thumbs, get it a likes up, and make sure that you get in contact with me if you have any questions, any concerns on how to get started. You can also connect with me on Facebook. I do have a social media where I do talk to people. I love to communicate, and I love to be helpful. I love to give out a helping hand, because all of us come through struggling backgrounds. I also came through a struggling background as well. You know what I mean? And being persistent because I knew it was my why. So you could do the same thing too. So if this very, very much video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and please give it a like, and also subscribe for more upcoming marketing techniques that I can show you guys. And I will show you more strategies that what I'll be using on a daily basis. All right, that's it for now. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.